Okay, welcome back for this third video about how to use OpenAI, a very quick exploration of OpenAI Whisper. I made the article. The code is available right here on my GitHub account. So this time we're going to inspect this, like I said in the walkthrough. I'm going to explore, the 11, which is FastAPI, which is a faster Whisper story, not Faster API. I'm getting confused. Faster Whisper is this distribution, and he has a great ability. By the way, this is my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe to it and you will see this video inside. So this is Faster Whisper, and he has the ability, so I will go directly to the file. What did I say? It's at 11. Okay. So like in the previous one, everything is written in the command. So you see, I'm already open a console. I'm in the correct. So I can even show you again how to activate. I'm using Anaconda to. So I'm in base. I need to come back right away in the requirement. I show the requirement right here. So this time I'm using this environment. Okay, so there's no FastAPI because I just made a script and using it. I be sure to be at the right place. Okay, I see if I have. Okay, I see this one FastAPI. So I'm going to click on my console and then I'm going to launch the stuff. So basically the idea, that's again the sample, and it's not going to output directly, but he's going to take this text. Okay, that's going to be here. So I'm going to show you the text just. So in the previous video, in the first video, it was out from the script. This one was out from the API. And this time it's going to split the whole text into words, which is very interesting if you have to mix with natural language processing, because you're going to see that all these words going to be split up, okay, with the time code, and then you can rework. So he's saying, it doesn't matter, I don't know why do I have. So he's detecting the probability of the language, and then he's splitting up with the time code every part of the text. So you see, he made up to the party afterwards. So bag of word limitization for the people who know natural language processing. I've worked a lot with Spacey, and you can make some treatment with such tools, Faster Whispers. That was one of the advantage, or one of the pro things, except that first of all, it's very quick, and the second one, he has this opportunity to split up through words, like it's written right here. Okay, he split up the words, and then I print out the time code for beginning and word start and end. Okay, and the word itself. So think about that if you need to mix audio and then transcription, and then rework the whole stuff, the whole transcription with natural language processing. Okay, so that's over for now. That's the only 3 videos I wanted to make for this article. So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my video. Also, you can have access to the whole code. I'm not going too deep into the code because I want to focus, like I say in the presentation of this directory where I have artificial intelligence usage. It's mostly the usage that I want to point out, I want to stress. Okay, thank you for watching. See you then. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.